Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am putting together a little snippet for you of something I'm calling Saturday projects. Basically just things that we do on the weekend, take care of our home or property. So enjoy a few Saturday projects from July.
Yes, I'll come back to you, then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Rob mowed down all the dandelions and brown grass. Looks gorgeous. And Rob's up on the roof. I will get that for you.
For some reason, when we painted the house, we didn't get this little teeny gable, so Rob fixed it up today.
At the car wash, yeah. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Thank you for taking care of my rig. You have a smile in there for me? Today Rob and I are taking care of some things outside the house that needs to be done. I have my sunscreen on my nose so it doesn't get any more red than it already is. And I'm cleaning off the side of the house and the light fixtures and windows with a broom. I'm going to do some touch-up paint. Already getting warm. usually do it just for fun. Stirring paint. Have you guys ever done this? Wrap up a paintbrush with saran wrap, put it in the fridge. Don't have to rinse it out. Use it the next day. The same kind of paint. Works pretty well. I already got paint on my hands. This place gets dinged up quite a bit from the fence, the gate closing on it. It's a little latch poking out, scraping against it. Now we're going to do part under the window. You want to paint?
Yeah, can I help you?
I don't know about that. I would love to teach you guys how to paint on like a fence that's all wide open and there's no parts that can't be.
Oh yeah, that's
Painted?
easy to paint.
Yeah.
But can I help paint that?
It's trickier when there's, you know,
When there's like obstacles.
like a window that
Yeah.
you should not be
paint on, it's
painting.
gonna ruin.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Stella. Stella's been going into the garage where we keep her dog food in a bin that has two sides that close up together. Sometimes the kids leave one side open after they feed her. She's just been going in there and eating food. It's been warm, so we've had the back door of the garage open a lot. She goes outside, goes through the garage door, eats her food. Nice and fat and sassy. The trim on the house used to be this dark teal color. You've seen pictures of the shed before we painted it. You would see the dark greenish color that was on here. The white is so much nicer.
Use the stir stick.
Yes, these are the white ones. This is the gray one. Woohoo! Unwrap my gray paintbrush. Voila! This part gets scraped by the fence all the time. Sitting down work. road's being redone right now. So there's machinery driving by. The smell of tar. Oh, the smell of tar in the morning. It's not that bad.
I see. So you can see you only found 1 or 2 spots that need to be repaired, huh?
Yeah, just a couple.
I think I have the burst to it.
Well, what do you have to do to it?
Little cap right here, supposed to lock into this, keeps this straight.
Oh.
Broken off here at the base, so I need a new cap, and I think I've got a cap in my box. Let me go.
Cool.
And basically take that out, use like a ratchet strap, just tug on it a little bit, pull it out enough to line it up.
Well, you found it that fast? I can never find anything in here that fast.
So,
Okay, I'm going into the shed to look for a socket ratchet set so we can fix the fence. Maybe you can help me find it. Wow, I can't believe it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Woohoo! It's some awesome jerry rigging. It's moving.